Good evening, Philippines. Happy New Year to all. And we are back to our tropical weather analysis for this first day of the year, January 1st, 2021. And this is valid to Monday, January 4th. And this is brought to you by Typhoon 2000. And to begin with our new year, here's the latest graph sat. Still, we have the blast of the northeast monsoon affecting the whole of Luzon, particularly becoming more frequent over Quezon and Bicol provinces because of the accompanying tail end of a frontal system or tail end of a cold front, bringing some cooler temperatures, breezy conditions of up to 60 kph, and also some passing drizzles to sometimes heavy rainfall across these areas. So please take note to take all necessary precautions against flash floods and landslides generated by this combined weather system. So take note, for the past 24 hours there has been a report of some flooding in various areas of the Bicol region, especially the flood-prone areas, as well as portions of the Visayas and Mindoro. And the northeast monsoon is also affecting western Visayas, Sulu Archipelago, MiMaRoPa, while the slighter, weaker monsoon, known as the northeasterly surface wind flow, is affecting the rest of Visayas, including the whole area of Mindanao, where some thunderstorms will be expected. We have an approaching surface trough as well towards Mindanao and east of Visayas, so expect more rainfall for the next 2 days. So far, we don't have any developing LPAs or tropical cyclone in the next 5 to 10 days. It's all clear from the Western Pacific. So there you go. That's the latest from GraphSat. And as we look at our fast animation, you can clearly see here the approaching surface trough that could bring more rainfall across Mindanao and portions of the Visayas. While as we look at our zoom in satellite animation from windy.com, this is the latest. So you can clearly see here the approaching surface trough towards eastern Visayas and Mindanao, and still the tail end of a frontal system, so it's still affecting Bicol with some on and off light to at times heavy rainfall. But so far for the past 24 hours, this is a little weaker. It started to wane down compared to yesterday. Okay, so by tomorrow, January 2, there could still be some cloudy conditions and breezy or windy situation with some possible passing on and off rainfall. But on January 3 until January 4, improvement of the weather will be anticipated. Okay, so far that's the latest from our satellite loop. As we look at our windy.com rain, pressure, and wind forecasts of by tomorrow afternoon, we could still see some rains and thunderstorms, particularly over northeastern Mindanao and Visayas, eastern Visayas as well, as the surface trough moves closer. And on Sunday, there could be still some showers and thunderstorms across the eastern sections of the country, Visayas, particularly Palawan, because of that surface trough. And on Monday, you could see the surface trough moving quickly over the southern portions of the West Philippine Sea, and still some rains and thunderstorms over Mindanao, okay, especially in the afternoon. But on Monday, the wind direction will be coming from the east, so the northeast monsoon will start to wane down beginning tomorrow through Sunday. So far, that's the latest from our end, and we'll be turning again on Monday, January 4th, to give you more updates on the weather. From Typhoon 2000, this is Mike Padua reporting. Stay safe always. Be #WeatherWiser. Happy New Year once again. Let's hope that 2021 will be a lot better compared to the worst year that was 2020. So let's hope and pray that everything will be back to normal. So goodbye to all. Happy weekend. See you again on Monday. Adios.